Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a ship. First, let's draw the water, the ocean. Just like this, a wavy line. And now draw the stern and the bow. It's slightly higher because we're gonna draw the deck. Now we're gonna draw the deck and then down and with the stern. Let's draw the accommodation just like this, and then 2 windows and circles. Now let's draw the funnel or the chimney, or you can call it smokestack. And now let's draw the flag, just a triangle. And then we're gonna draw the smoke, just line from curves, big, small, small, big, and so on. Then let's draw the lines on the hull and up to the deck and the anchor, just like this one. Let's put a frame on the windows. I'm coloring the body, the hull of the ship pink, dark pink. I want to make it bright. Yellow for the accommodation and brown for the windows frame and also mast. Black on the top of the hull and also the deck. Green for the funnel and red for the flag, while the windows gonna be light blue. For the water or the ocean, I will start with dark blue by tracing the lines, the wavy lines, and then going down, it's gonna be light blue. The milk is gray, and on the border will be black. Actually, you can color your ship any color you like and make it as colorful as you want. And now it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.